Dear learners, welcome to the Home of English for English grammar and vocabulary learning. Today, we shall discuss some one-word substitutions in our vocabulary part. English vocabulary, one-word substitutions. These are single words that are used in place of a group of words. An advantage of a one word is that it helps us to avoid repetition of unnecessary words and thus makes the speech effective. The best way to learn one words is to read and listen frequently or repeatedly. Listen to the vocabulary playlist in the Home of English again and again. Today we shall learn one words denoting the kinds of governments and marriages. I have kept 2 questions at the end for you. Listen carefully and answer them in the comment box. Let's start. One words denoting kinds of governments. Remember, if a one word has the suffix krasi, that means it denotes a government. In Greek language, krasia means a government. So krasi means a government. See the example, democracy. It's a government by the people. Here demo means people and krasi means government. Second one, a government by the rich. It is called plutocracy. In Greek, plutos means wealth. Those who are having wealth, they are rich. So, a government by the rich is plutocracy. Third, a government by officials. A government by officials is bureaucracy. Officials are also called bureaucrats. So, a government by bureaucrats is bureaucracy. Here see the spelling of bureau. B-U-R-E-A-U. Fourth, a government by inexperienced persons. It is called neocracy. Neo means new. New or inexperienced. So, a government by inexperienced persons is neocracy. A government by mob or crowd. It is called occulocracy or mobocracy. A government by mob or crowd is called occulocracy or mobocracy. A government by the worst citizen. It is called kakistocracy. In Greek, kakisto means worst. So, a government by the worst citizen is called kakistocracy. Seventh, a government by the old men. A government by old men is called gerundocracy. Here also, gerundo is a Greek word. It means old. So, gerundocracy is a government by old men. Eighth, a government by one person. It is autocracy or dictatorship. Remember the great dictator Hitler? His government was an autocracy or a dictatorship. Ninth one, a government by the nobles or lords. It's called aristocracy. Nobles or lords are also called aristocrats. So a government by aristocrats, nobles or lords is aristocracy. 10th one, a government by the laws of religion is theocracy. Theo means religion. So a government by the laws of religion is called theocracy. Next is its opposite or antonym, that is a government not by the laws of religion. Not by the laws of religion, that is a secular government. So it is opposite to theocracy. A government by the gods is thearchy. In Greek language, theos means God and archein means to rule. So that is how this word formed, thearchy, a government by the gods. 13th, a government by a few persons. It is called oligarchy. In Greek language, oligoi means a few or some persons. So a government by a few persons is called oligarchy. A government run universally is called panarchy. Here, pan means universal. You must have heard pan-India. Pan-India means all over India. So a government run universally is called panarchy. A government by a king or a queen is called monarchy. We can call a king or a queen a monarch. So a government by a king or queen is monarchy. 16th, absence of government. It is called anarchy. Absence of government, anarchy. 17th, the right of self-government is autonomy. The right of self-government is autonomy. So these are the 17 one-word substitutions related to kinds of governments. Now we will see the next section in which one words denoting marriages. See, if a one word has a suffix gami, G-A-M-Y, gami, it relates to marriage. In Greek language, gamos means marriage. So that is how this gami originated. See the example. First one, monogamy. Monogamy means the practice of marrying only one person. Here mono, we know that it means single or one. So monogamy means the practice of marrying only one person. Second one, bigamy. Bi is two. So bigamy is the practice of having two wives or husbands at a time. Third, polygamy. Again, poly is greater than one or more than one. So polygamy is the practice of having more than one wife at a time. Here it is only wife. For having more than one husband there is another word, that is polyandry. Polyandry is the practice of having more than one husband at a time. So polygamy is the practice of having more than one wife at a time, but polyandry is the practice of having more than one husband at a time. Fifth, misogamist. Misogamist, one who hates marriage. See the prefix mis. If you are seeing a prefix mis, that means a hater. And its opposite is phil. P-H-I-L, phil. That means lover. Mis means hater. There is a word, philanthropist. Philanthropist is a lover of mankind. Its opposite is misanthropist. Misanthropist means a hater of mankind. So here also misogamist is a person who hates marriage. Sixth, matrimony. Matrimony means a state of being married. Seventh, adultery. Adultery means the practice of having extramarital relations. Next, alimony. Alimony is an allowance paid to wife on divorce. Here, see the fun. adultery is the practice of having extramarital relations. So if somebody is having extramarital relations, then definitely that leads to a divorce. If it is divorce, then the husband has to give some allowance to his wife. That is alimony. So alimony is an allowance paid to wife on divorce, and adultery is a practice of having extramarital relations. Ninth one, celibacy. Celibacy is a state of abstention from marriage. Abstention means being away from marriage, is not willing to get married. Such a state is called celibacy. 10th, concubinage. Concubinage is a live-in relationship, that is, live together without marrying. A live-in relationship is called concubinage. 11th, bachelor. A man who is not married is called a bachelor. If the man is an older man, then we can call him a chronic bachelor. Its opposite is spinster, an older woman who is not married. An older woman who is not married is called spinster. So these are the 12 one words related to marriage. You may please revise all these words once or twice and learn. Now there are two questions. First one, what is the one word for a government by the rich people? Second one, what is the one word for one who hates marriage? If you got the answer, please comment in the comment section. If you have benefited from this lesson, please like, subscribe and share. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.